What other options are available for spying on a cell phone without installing software?
Welcome, digital enthusiasts. Today we're delving into an often requested topic: mobile monitoring alternatives to installing software. However, before we dive in, it's important to state clearly that invading someone's privacy is illegal and unethical. Therefore, this information should be used responsibly and only for legal purposes such as parental control, employee monitoring, with their consent, and other legitimate uses.
What are traditional monitoring methods?
Traditional methods of monitoring a mobile device often involve the use of spy software or applications, which require physical access to the device to install. These tools provide features like call logging, message tracking, GPS location tracking, and more. But what if physical access to the device is not possible or you prefer not to install software? Let's discuss some alternatives.
Can network service providers help?
Network service providers have access to a vast amount of data from their users. They can track calls, messages, and data usage. However, obtaining such information requires proper authorization and is often protected by strict privacy laws. Therefore, while technically possible, this method isn't readily available for the average person.
How about using cloud-based services?
Many people use cloud-based services to back up their data. iCloud for Apple and Google Drive for Android are commonly used examples. If the target device is set up to back up data on these services, and you have access to these accounts, you could access information like contacts, messages, photos, and more. Again, this should be done ethically and legally. Unauthorized access to someone else's accounts is a clear breach of privacy.
Is social media a monitoring option?
In our connected world, many individuals share a lot of their personal lives on social media. By monitoring social media activity, you can gain insights into a person's whereabouts, who they communicate with, and what they're interested in. This method requires no software installation but does rely on the individual sharing information publicly. In conclusion, while there are alternatives to using spy software for mobile monitoring, these options require proper authorization and respect for privacy laws. The key takeaway here is that respect for privacy is paramount. Use these methods responsibly, ethically, and within legal boundaries. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge empowers us, but how we use it defines us.